Question 3. D, E, and F. David, Emma, and Fred go to the cinema and they sit in a row of 3 seats. So you can have D, E, and F, and this is a combinations questions. We've got D, E, and F. We can swap those two. We can have E, D, and F, F, D, and E. And we can have E, F, and D, F, E, and D. Six ways. Okay. The probability of alphabetical order is D, E, and F. Is 1 out of 6. Now, if D and F always sit next to each other, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, the seats are consecutive. So we know that, let's say the seat number is n minus 1 plus n plus 1 sums to 87. Add those together, we get 3n, those cancel out, is 87. The one in the middle is 229. So it's seats are 28, 29, and 30. Then we got Jeff and Helen. Jeff and Helen, so if you think about it, we've got these and we've got different ways of having Jeff and Helen. We've got D, E, F, G, H, and then there's 1, 2, 3 different places for that, and 1, 2, 3, 4 different places for that. Oh, sorry, ignore that, that's rubbish. If we're adding those two, we have, it's actually 5 factorial. That's 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now to try and see that, well, you can see, well, if you had 1, there's one way of doing it. If you just have D. E, you can have there or there, so it's 2 lots. F, if you add it on, you can have F 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the total is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, 6 times 4 is 24, 120 ways.